Today, alternator on an S60, seeing as no fucking fucker has got a video to do this. This is a D5 Euro 4 2006. It could be the same on the earlier ones, I'm not sure, but basically what you've got to do is you need your power steering out of the way. So there's 3 bolts that hold it on the bracket. Then there's the alternator. You can't see the top bolt, but I'll show you somewhere else in a minute. It's a top bolt, and then there's 2 underneath it, and then right down the bottom there in the front of the AC is 2 bolts. You need to loosen them as well. Now I'll show you on this here. You got your tension on the side. Don't know if you can see the star, that's for the releasing the tension. There's your 3 bolt holes for your power steering. So you can undo them, and also you undo the bracket at the back. In that corner, that's the top alternator bracket, which goes on that, and then the alternator goes on like so. So you can see it's bolted underneath there, 2 bolts, and then what happens is the AC sits on top, and then what you've got to do is take these bolts out, obviously, and these 2 bottom ones, you've got to loosen them off enough so that this can be lifted out the top then. And then you've got your obvious connections on the back, which you've probably done beforehand, which is a 30mm bolt, and you've got to be careful with this spade connector because the plastic surround comes off, but be careful when you pull that out. But yeah, that's pretty much how you do it.